Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Email marketing in 2024 is a hot topic. It is much cheaper and effective to reach target audiences. Today, I'm here to walk you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to access and make the most of our extensive 15,800 Italy business email database. You can easily download it from our store. Now, this particular package includes 15,800 Italian business emails. When you purchase the package, you'll receive an Excel file containing all these emails, neatly organized for easy access. If we click on the file, you'll see the list of city, zip code, contact person, phone numbers and email, everything you need to reach out effectively. And one more thing. All of our email lists are regularly cleaned and verified to ensure authenticity, with a bounce rate of less than 1%. That's it for today. If you have any questions or need further help, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email is in the description as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we wish you a successful marketing endeavors.